Governor Jong Kajala Mikhalaya Baku Chauhan haka Arpatrik Umi Arjar apply haka Jinglik Jungu Yaka Southwest Castle District Layo Ru Ban Layu Kajan Hamaharam Government Higher Secondary School Haba Ajung Kren haka Nikasni Nakaliang Kajong Governor Ula Punpao Ba Kikna School Kidem Kalawe Yaka Dong Kathan Kajala Bat Yakari Hiborokwe. Kumta lakentukan pam ya barok ki hebret bakin minat haka jing puli ke jingki. Khanang bakin la ban ke chuprang haka jing em ke jingki bat kin long ru kinong te kinong no senyang ya ke jingki chuprang jonggari haki liang ki ba pher. Nakaliang jong kinong penya jong school kilapun pau khmat jong governor ya ke jing dokumen. Halor ke jingwan yu ke jat jungu yakni school namar kadi kasin bankong ba governor jong kejala punwan ban yu kejat hagni school bat kila pen paru ya ki jingdan kam ba kum school hi pro kowe ki dan spun ki jing dan kam namta ka bha kamyat jong ki khna school ki nohi kai bat ka school hi pro kowe bat kumta kila karpat yu banera halor kini ki banta hakani kasni lasanran langru yo governor haka jingli jungo igni school tau deputy commissioner ka Southwest Castle District district school education officer ka Southwest Castle District but kiwi ki officer ang ba jong kani district but lese kani kalong sha kasni bansa jingkan mau ya kanik slam a jingni kai hakaba u khlidu jong gejala punyo ban yu kejat hakani kaslam jingni kai but different ke juu ai sim ya ki khna school ba kalang sha kanuksa ya kalawai ka dong than bat ke jela da ke jingyo yong kom no ban wan yu ke jat hakani ke sngi hakani ke jaka puli ke jomki